Paano tawagan ang GCash customer service? Via call, especially if nahihirapan ka mag-ticket. With 3 easy steps, with a demo pa. At mga paalala para mas maging smooth ang pag-contact nyo kay GCash customer service. Step 1. Collect the necessary information for verification of your profile. Importante ito since GCash will first verify your identity before kanila i-assist sa concern mo. Once hindi nila ma-verify identity mo, hindi ka kasi nila tutulungan. Kaya importante ito na step at huwag mong skip. Tanong, ano po kailangan na information? Ito ang mga kailangan na information based sa experience ko. Nilista ko na po ito para di ka na mahirapan. Paalala nga pala, huwag na huwag i-share ang mga information na ito, especially sa mga taong di mo pinagkakatiwalaan kasi pwede ma-hack account mo. So kung need mo ng tutorial kung saan ito mahanap na information, I will guide you. Kapag hindi naman, you can proceed na sa step 2. So para malaman ang iyong GCash current balance, just open the GCash app by entering your MPIN. Kapag na-open mo na, makikita mo ito. Ang itong nasa pula na kahon ay iyong GCash current balance. Para malaman naman ang GCash most recent transaction, click mo ang transaction sa ibaba. Tapos makikita mo itong nasa itaas. Ito ang latest transaction mo. Para malaman naman ang GCash number, balik tayo dito, click profile, at mapupunta ka dito. At itong number na makikita mo, yan po ang iyong registered mobile number. Makikita naman ang registered name sa taas ng iyong registered mobile number. Para naman sa mga personal information katulad ng registered birth date, email at current address, by clicking this area, to be more specific itong araw na ito, at dito mo makikita ang birth date, nationality, email address at current address mo. At ayun, na-complete na natin ang mga needed information sa verification question ni GCash just in case tumawag kayo. Ngayon, step 2 na tayo. Learn the operating time and contact details of GCash customer service. So, GCash customer service can be contacted based on my experience, Monday to Sunday. Simula alas 9, 9 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon or 5 p.m. At hindi kasama doon ang mga holidays. Pero based on my experience, may mga holidays na nakokontakt pa rin sila. So, kahit holiday, try mo siyang i-contact. Baka during that time, available sila. Para naman sa contact details nila, kapag Globe at TM ang network mo, dial mo lang 2882. Note, calling through this network is totally free. At ito talaga ang marirecommend ko kung ayaw mong mapagastos sa load. Tanong, paano naman po kapag ibang network ko? Tulad ng GOMO, dito, SunSmart, at saka TNB. Kung ganun, pwede mo sila tawagan pa rin using this number. Specifically, ganito po ang pag-type. Note, hindi libre ang pagtawag using this number. Kaya make sure na may regular load ka muna before calling para makontak mo sila. Yun nga lang, mapapagastos ka talaga nito. Note, ikaw lang ang pwede mag-contact sa GCash customer service kapag may magulang or kakilala ka naman at hindi talaga sila marunong. Habang tumatawag, need sila nakasama mo para makapagbigay sila ng permission verbally kay GCash na gawin kanilang representative kasi hindi sila marunong or busy sila. Step 3 for the demo.
Protection. Never click on links in SMS. Scammers are using illegal cell sites to hijack messages. Remember, official GCash will never send links. Stay alert. Hi, thank you for calling GCash. Please listen carefully as our options have changed. If you are the owner of the account, press 1. Otherwise, press 2. To assist you better, please have your GCash number and transaction or ticket reference ready. To follow up on an existing ticket, please go to the GCash app, tap Help, then go to Tickets. For login concerns, press 1. For lost devices, SIM issues, or transfer of funds and services requests, press 2. For transaction concerns, press 3. For reporting fraud, unrecognized transactions, or compromised access, press 4. For questions about your GCash card, press 5. For other inquiries, you may visit the Help Center at help.gcash.com. To hear the options again, press 6. For immediate assistance, please chat with GG. Open the GCash app, tap Help Center on the login screen, and select Lost SIM or Phone, or Transfer My Funds and Services. You may also stay on the line to talk to a customer service representative. If you are following up on an existing issue, press 1. If you are calling about a new concern, press 2. If you want to return to the main menu, press 3. In order to help you, we may ask for some personal information. If you agree to the collection and usage of your data according to GCash's data privacy policy, press 1. Otherwise, press 0 or end this call. You will now be connected to the next available customer representative. Please note that this call will be recorded for training and quality assurance purposes.
Thank you for calling Gcash Support. This is Maddie. Ngayon ka lang po ba yung concern?
Hello po, Maddie. May concern po ako.
Helpful ba ang video na ito para sa inyo? And dahil yan, gusto mo rin matutunan paano mag-reset ng MPIN sa GCash. May tutorial din ako para dyan, click mo lang ito. O di kaya gusto mo matutunan paano mag-transfer ng pera sa old GCash to new GCash. May tutorial din ako para dyan, click mo lang ito. So if you want more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yun lang. See you in my next video. Let's go.